Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel German Lingo Hub. In today's video, we are going to learn how to count from 0 to 20 in German. German numbers can be quite different from English, so pay close attention. By the end of this video, you will be counting like a pro in German. So let's begin. Please remember, from now, we will use noch einmal instead of once again. Deutsche Zahlen 0 bis 20. Noch einmal. Deutsche Zahlen 0 bis 20. Let's start with 0, which is null in German. Let's practice with me. Null. Noch einmal. Null. Moving on to 1, which is eins in German. Let's practice. Eins. Noch einmal. Eins. Zwei. Noch einmal. Zwei. Drei. Noch einmal. Drei. Vier. Noch einmal. Vier. Please notice that the sound of V has the sound of F. Fünf. Noch einmal. Fünf. Sechs. Noch einmal. Sechs. Now let's move on 7, which is sieben in German. Let's practice. Sieben. Noch einmal. Sieben. Acht. Noch einmal. Acht. Neun. Noch einmal. Neun. We have reached double digit. 10 is 10 in German. Let's practice. 10. Noch einmal. 10. Now for unique 111, which is elf in German. Let's practice. Elf. Noch einmal. Elf. 12. Noch einmal. 12. In English, it's quite straightforward. We say 11, 12, 13, 14 and so on, with the tens place remaining constant. However, in German, it's a bit of dance. We start with the unit digit and finally the tens digit. For example, 13 becomes 13, 14 is 14 and so forth. Only 11 and 12 are different, but from 13 to 19 are the same way. 13. Noch einmal. 13. 14. Noch einmal. 14. 15. Noch einmal. 15. 16. Noch einmal. 16. Getting closer to 20. Here's the number 17. In German, 17 is 17. Let's practice with me. 17. Noch einmal. 17. 18. Noch einmal. 18. 19. Noch einmal. 19. Finally, we have reached 20. In German, 20 is zwanzig. Let's practice. Zwanzig. Noch einmal. Zwanzig. Great job, everyone. You have just learned how to count from 0 to 20 in German. Keep practicing and soon you will be counting in German like a pro. And please do like, share and subscribe the video so you never miss any of our existing content. And to all our returning viewers, thank you for your continued support. If you have any suggestions or requests for future videos, please let us know in the comment below. Until next time, stay awesome. Danke fürs Zuschauen.